what are the pros and cons to eating carrots, and how can it affect your eyes, and can it affect you in a negative way? Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Nagori. I'm a board certified ophthalmologist, and today we're talking about why carrots are good for you, but also a really strange thing that can happen if you eat too many carrots. So you've probably heard that eating carrots is good for your eyesight. It might sound like something your mom told you just to make you eat more vegetables, but there is actually some truth to it. But carrots are not good for your vision because they're carrots. They're good for your vision because they have high amounts of vitamin A. And vitamin A is important for keeping your eyes healthy. So if you have a vitamin A deficiency, which means your body is not getting enough vitamin A, this can be bad specifically for your eyes. Now, one potential problem of not getting enough vitamin A is developing night blindness. Now, this is exactly what it sounds like. A patient would have a really difficult time seeing in low light conditions or in dim lighting, and of course, they would have difficulty seeing at night. Vitamin A affects the light-sensitive cells in your eyes, and this is why night blindness can be a result of having vitamin A deficiency. Specifically, vitamin A is essential for making a photopigment cell called rhodopsin, and this is the photopigment in the rod cells of your eyes, and it is specifically responsible for low light vision. Now, there are other problems aside from night blindness that can happen with vitamin A deficiency. Some of these include problems with the surface of your eye, which can include dry eye. You can even get ulcers. And actually, in some parts of the world where lack of vitamin A or lack of food in general, people can have real visual issues from this deficiency. But before you load up on carrots, there is a downside to eating too many carrots. And also, it's important to remember that eating a ton of carrots is not gonna make your vision any better. You just need the normal recommended daily amount to maintain healthy vision. So what can happen if you eat too many carrots? So actually, if you eat too many carrots, your skin can actually turn yellow or orange from too much beta carotene in your blood. And this condition is known as carotenemia. And in this condition, patients can have yellow to orange skin discoloration due to the deposition of carotene in the epidermis. Now, carotenemia can be caused not just by carrots, but can also be caused by excessive intake of other carotene-rich foods. So carrots are one of those, but pumpkins and any other vegetable that is high in beta carotene. The discoloration can be more prominent in areas that have thicker skin, such as the palms of your hands or the soles of your feet. And while it is fairly benign and harmless, I don't think anyone really wants their skin color to change because they ate too many carrots. And of course, carrots are not the only way to get vitamin A. There are many other vegetables that you can eat, such as sweet potatoes, spinach, kale, butternut squash, that can all help your body get the vitamin A that it needs. Even animal-based foods like liver, eggs, and whole milk can also provide vitamin A in a form that's ready for your body to use. Now, what about too much vitamin A? We talked about how eating too many carrots can actually change your skin color, but what if you are eating a bunch of things that just cause your vitamin A levels to be really, really high? So the good news is from diet alone, it's pretty hard to get vitamin A toxicity. You would have to be eating fortified foods that have been fortified with vitamin A. This usually happens from people that are taking vitamin A supplements, if they're eating excessive animal liver, or again, like I said, foods that have been fortified with vitamin A. So most people aren't really doing this on a regular basis, and so it's unlikely to get that just from diet alone. Now, if you are taking vitamin A supplements, it's always important to talk to your doctor about how this could be affecting your body. So should you eat carrots? Sure, if you like carrots, you should eat carrots. But should you expect it to improve your eyesight? No, it's not gonna make your eyesight better. And if you don't like carrots, just consider eating other foods that are rich with vitamin A, and also consider adding a multivitamin to your diet. It is really hard to get every single vitamin that you need through your diet every day, so I do recommend to a lot of my patients that taking a multivitamin can be very helpful. Hope you found this helpful. Remember to hit subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next video.